Welcome to my channel. How to install HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E printer, fix setup errors fast, 2026. Step 1. Unbox the printer, remove all tapes, stickers, and packing materials from the printer carefully. Step 2. Plug in the power cable, connect the printer to a power outlet and press the power button to turn it on. Step 3. Install ink cartridges. Open the ink access door and insert the HP ink cartridges into the correct slots. Step 4. Load paper properly. Place clean A4 or letter size paper into the input tray and adjust the paper guides. Step 5. Connect to Wi-Fi. On the printer screen, go to wireless settings and connect the printer to your home Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Download HP Smart App. Install the HP Smart App on your computer or mobile device to complete the setup easily. Step 7. Add the printer. Open HP Smart, click Add Printer, and select the HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E from the list. Step 8. Install printer drivers. Allow the app to download and install the latest printer drivers automatically. Step 9. Fix common setup errors. If setup fails, restart the printer and router, reconnect Wi-Fi, disable VPN temporarily, update Windows or Mac system. Step 10. Print a test page. Print a test page to confirm the printer is installed correctly and working perfectly. Thanks for watching.